One of my subscriber asked me that by mistake he has written his date of birth wrong while creating Gmail ID. He is worried and asking whether he can change his date of birth now. No worries, Gmail ID can be personalized. Stick around, I'll show you how.
Please subscribe my channel, like and share and hit the bell icon for more informative videos. So what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button below.
First you will open the Google Chrome. On the top right side usually shows the account by which you have logged in. But since I have not logged in, so it's showing sign in. So you will click on sign in if you have not logged in. Then you need to write your email and password. Once you logged in, you can see here there's a symbol M which is showing the first letter of my name and it's my email address. So just click on the top right corner here and then you can see an option manage your account setting. Click on this. Now you can see various options here, but since I want to change just the date of birth, so I click on personalize info. If you want to learn any of these features, you can ask me in the comments below and I'll be answering that. So I'll just click on date of birth and it's January 20, 1984. So if I want to change it, for example, this is incorrect. By mistake, I have written it incorrect. So I want to correct it. So I'm writing 28 or for example, I'm changing the year 1983. And see, I have changed this info and then you have two options here, anyone and only you. This is about the security of your account, that if you want to show your birth year and date to others or not. If you don't want to show, just click on only you like I have done here and then you will click on save. You are 37 years old, is that correct? According to your date of birth is asking you. So if it is correct, just click on confirm and see the option here, the birthday has been updated. So that's how you can do it easily and like a pro. I hope this video was really helpful for you. So why don't you give me a like, subscribe my channel if you haven't till yet, share it with your friends and family. Stay tuned for more informative videos. Take care. Allah Hafiz.